Okay, we have a lot number P1001. This is coming up in our September government surplus and online estate auction, and no Bates is not included. He's just sniffing around. We got a Toro Groundsmaster 223-D front deck mower. I believe it's got a 62-inch cut. I haven't measured it, but that's just the number that's on it. So I'm just gonna give you a quick tour. This one is appears to be fully operational, other than the belt broke, and the window that's missing in the driver's door that fell out during transport. It did not break. So we do have it. If you see the pictures online for the auction description, you will see that the window is included. I'll do a quick walk around. Rear tires here seem to be flat, or go flat. We put air in them, they go flat. Front tires are cracking. I do see some cracking on the sidewalls there. Full cab. With heater, but no air conditioning. Air conditioning would probably be windows open. Front deck, again, like I said, the PTO seems to engage, but of course, you know, nothing turns because it is the belt's gone. Again, this front tire here has also got some cracking on it. This rear tire seems to be holding air, but when it arrived, it was flat. So little diesel, 3-cylinder diesel, I believe. 1, 2, 3 injectors. Yes, so a little 3-cylinder diesel, and it is an older unit. I was surprised that it's still in service. I've probably been sitting for a little while because it looked like it's been sitting for a little while, but it does start right up. And the hour meter right there, 1,232 hours. Says next service is 1320. I will give it a fire key on and give it a little bit engine preheat and fire right up. Switches up here. Wiper has no blade on it, so anyways, I will go set the camera down here and show you it moving backward and forward. So this is selling in September. We are All City Auctioneers. We're located in Langley, British Columbia. Highest bid wins. It is lot number P1001, and it is selling on our online auction site, bcsurplus.com. This is a Toro diesel-powered Groundsmaster 223D with a front deck mower. Hope you get another bye-bye auction.